Maria e oggi faccio la pasta con le verdure e vorraine, finocchie e gite.
Maria lives in Prizzi, in the hills south of Palermo. It's March, when wild greens are young and tender.
Girati prima. Con questi facciamo pure come una cosa piena di dolce. Un dolce pieno di verdure. Va bene, bellissimo.
Maria collects a variety from her daughter Marina's field, including fennel, foraged, chard and dandelion. This is wild cardoon.
All'estate quante persone vengono.
Back home, Maria makes her pasta using semola rimacinata or semolina flour and warm water. Maria used to be a baker.
Ma prima, quando era piccolina, mia madre faceva io stessa quando poi era che poteva lavorare, quando sia bastavamo la pasta. Allora sa come faccio di essere, ma comunque mi arrangio.
Brava, brava.
Però una volta la faceva tanto.
Ah sì, quando era signorina sì, noi c'eravamo 6 figli e quindi si lavorava.
She kneads the dough until it is smooth and leaves it to rest, covered while she preps the vegetables.
A posto.
She removes the bottom of the stems, which are tough, and roughly chops up everything else. This is a no recipe dish. Just use what's fresh and in season. For example, Maria has also found some wild asparagus.
Spinach. Va bene?
Maria peels and dices a potato.
Ah, si vede che pratica.
Praticuna.
Ah, certo.
Ora non ne faccio più niente.
Perché ormai si invecchia, ma è che è vero. Non può fare niente.
Non voglio fare niente, basta quanto lavoravo.
She chops up an onion and a garlic clove. She removes the skin from 4 more garlic cloves but leaves them whole. She places them in a frying pan with olive oil and adds a few anchovies and their oil. Maria fries everything until the anchovies have melted, then removes the garlic cloves. Next, she adds the potatoes and onions with plenty of salt and pepper and cooks this for a few minutes before heaping in the greens.
Basta, bene. Buono, mamma, metti superato. Anzi, ci mette poco d'olio.
In goes some more olive oil plus a few home-bottled tomatoes.
Queste sono le mie pomodore pelate. Bellissima, eh?
Maria leaves this to fry while she makes the gnoccareddi. She rolls out a rope and Marina chops it up into little pillows the size of a postage stamp. Maria uses her thumb and presses the pasta down and along the board to create a pasta curl. If you're new to pasta making, this is the shape to start with. It can be different sizes, but make sure you have a deep curve to catch the sauce.
Gnoccareddi. Queste sono gnoccareddi.
Gnoccareddi are also called cavati or cavatelli elsewhere in southern Italy. The greens need a little water to stop them sticking and to help the potatoes cook. Maria salts her pasta water and cooks her gnoccareddi until they're nearly ready. Then she scoops them into the sauce and finishes cooking them in the greens. Olive oil is used like a condiment, not just a cooking fat. And I'm the lucky person trying it.
La pasta è pronta.
Grazie mille Maria and Marina.
Buon appetito!
So I've just been told that spring is when the pharmacy opens. This dish is meant to be really good for you, and it certainly tastes absolutely delicious.
Ciao, ciao. Ciao.
Click on the subscribe button for regular helpings of Pasta Grannies.